Like, let's say we had this part here, okay? If we take that part and we just make a copy of it and move it in time slightly, like by a millisecond or a couple of milliseconds, you're gonna hear the difference there. It's almost like a phasing kind of sound. If you move it even more, it's gonna start to create like a delay effect, okay? And then you're gonna hear it coming from two. If you pan it hard left and hard right, but if you took that part, played it once, and then you gotta use headphones for this, for sure, okay? To hear the original part, and then play over it again, play that part, duplicate it, play it again, and you get it really, really, really close, you're gonna hear a completely different kind of effect. It's a really special sound when you play a part twice.